Welcome back, dear Prep 1 students. Today we are gonna have Unit 8, The Amazing World Around Us. Today we are gonna have the superlative form of an adjective. Before we start, let's know what the meaning of an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun such as person, place, things, or idea. There are two types of an adjective: short one and long one. Short adjectives, we can pronounce it in one syllable, such as big, little, short, tall, fast, dry, clean, clever, and long adjectives such as expensive, wonderful, colorful. Superlative form of an adjective. We can form it with short adjectives. We add the and est to the adjectives. Fast, the fastest. Old, the oldest. Tall, the tallest. If an adjective ends with e, we add st. We only add st, like large, close. In long adjectives, we put the most or the least before an adjective. The most beautiful, the least dangerous, the most expensive. If there is a consonant sound followed with a vowel, we double the consonant letter. Big, the biggest. Thin, the thinnest. Hot, the hottest. Fit, the fittest. In the adjectives which ends with y and before that y there is a consonant sound, we replace y by iest, like easy, the easiest, happy, the happiest, lazy, the laziest, healthy, the healthiest. Now let's see some examples about short adjectives and long adjectives. Number 1. This bridge is the longest one. Long is a short adjective, so it will be the longest. Hiba is the oldest student in her class. Old is an short adjective, so it will be the oldest. The whale is the most enormous animal. Enormous is a long adjective, so it will be the most. Number 2. I think math is the most difficult subject. The adjective difficult is a long adjective, so I put the most. Another example. This t-shirt is the least expensive. Is the least expensive one in the shop. Expensive is a long adjective, so I put the least. There are some irregular, comparative, and superlative forms, such as bad, worse than in comparative form, and the worst in superlative form. Far can be farther with a or farther with u. Farther than in comparative. Superlative, it will be the fastest, the farthest. Good, comparative form, better than, superlative form, the best. Late, later than, the latest. little, it will be less than. In the superlative form, the least. Many or much. In comparative form, it will be more than. In superlative form, the most. Now, let's have some exercise. Number 1. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. The world's suspension bridge opened in Cairo. Yeah, very good. Widest. Why we didn't put the widest? Because there is possessive here. If there is a possessive, we replace we didn't put the. Number 2. Some people think that math is space subject of all. Yeah, difficult is a long adjectives, so it will be the most difficult. Number 3. On Saturdays, the market is than on Fridays. Yeah, comparative form. Short adjective, it will be quieter. Number 4. Whales are space animals in the world. Superlative form. Short adjectives. The biggest. Letter C. More exercise. Number 5. All these houses are nice, but our is superlative form. Nice is a short adjective. It will be the nice. Letter C. Question number 6. That pen is space of all. Yeah, irregular adjective. B, the best. Number 7. This is space film I have ever seen. Yeah, superlative form. Boring is a long adjective, so it will be the most boring. Letter D. Number 8. What is the space town in your country? Superlative form. We have the largest. Letter E. Nine. A chair is space comfortable than a sofa. Yeah, comparative form. Little, it will be less. Less comfortable than. 10. Which do you think is city in the world? Superlative form. The most exciting. Letter D. Now, thank you for listening and goodbye.